So when you process the notes, when do you process the notes? You process that evening, the next day, 3 days, whatever it's for. Well, keep in mind, and you could look it up, right, that after a 1 hour lecture, after whatever, an hour and a half, whatever it is, within that hour, you've forgotten 42% of what was being said there.
Wow,
42% of it's gone.
within 1 hour.
Yeah.
If somebody hasn't reviewed the notes that they've taken in a lecture within an hour, 42% of what they heard during the lecture could be lost or is lost within that 1 hour.
Right.
Yeah, that's
And by the end of the day, it's about 50%, right? The day
and
after,
it
it's
just
three
going down,
quarters.
down, down. The longer, the more time spent, the less is retained.
Right. So to make a long story short, is that after a month, they'll only retain 10% of whatever was taught, right? With my uncle's system and process, you're going to retain the exact opposite, 90%.
It's literally night and day.
Absolutely, night and day.